82nd.
82nd. I'm very happy and very glad to tell you that I live up to this age to see all my family are all in good health, especially all my grandsons. They look healthy. Because
And
I know
granddaughters too. Maybe he meant grandchildren.
Just the grandsons only.
grandchildren.
So what is your future plans, Dad?
I have no more future plan now.
No, Victoria tomorrow?
No more casino because
One more or one more?
One more or no more? One more? No more.
Everybody knows that I sold the house and we sold the house in our
So we have to get it back. We just deposited there.
It's only temporary.
You cannot get it back by gambling, and that's why my advice to you is stop gambling also. That's a big lesson to me.
Amen!
Amen.
How about Africa?
Ed, I just nag-drive ako ka na sa bahay.
Oh.
Natatakot. Tapos buhay pa kayo mag-asawa because, you know, we got married 1951. And now it's already 2009. That means we've been living together as husband and wife. 68 years old.
Hey.
58.
Years old.
That's why, papasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga anak ko rin. Malaking tulong na gagawin sa amin. Especially now, I'm sick with Parkinson. I can even move. That's why I'm very thankful that I have all my son helping us now at our age. That's all. Thank you.
In-laws too. In-laws.
Especially the in-laws.
Kahit yung bahay sa Maine, dinaanan ko kanina, na-remodel na.
Oh, yeah?
Yung busis sa harap, wala na. Zero, cut down. Tapos naglagay sila ng landscape na brick sa harap. Tapos the windows are changed. Brand new.
Oh, interesting.
And I was looking from the street. It's more like empty house. I don't know. I don't know what's going
It's
on.
up for sale.
Alright, let's go eat.
And we have an announcement from Bridget.
Okay, an announcement? Any announcement?
From Bridget?
Announcement?
No?
I heard Bridget's gonna sing a song for you, Lolo.
Julia?
I want to say
Prepare
something.
something?
The lesson for today is just copy the good things, not the bad things.
Alright.
Okay, amen.
Amen. Okay, anybody else who want to say something before we eat?
Now, Lola Anita.
Hey ma'am, may nasabihin kayo?
Ni Mami, kain na daw.
Kain na.
You want to say something?
I'll say I'm happy for our family.
Okay, happy birthday, Lolo.
Okay.
Okay, happy birthday, Lola.
Everybody.
Okay, let's eat.
Let Mom and Daddy
Let's eat, guys. Okay, ma'am.
let's sing first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you.
There's nothing to blow, so it's okay.
Later, that's all right.
What do you mean there's nothing? Family picture later.
After 58 years.
Mami, isa sa pagkain.
Paper plate.
Alalayan mo na si Mami.
No, just pull up a chair. We'll wait for you.
Okay, ikaw kay Mami. May, ituro nyo lang. Babe, ikaw na kumuha ng plate. Ituro lang Mami ko lang siya. Ituro mo lang Mami. Sila na kukuha para sa ituro mo na. Marlita, ikaw kukuha. Alalayan ni Bel. Marlita, ikaw kukuha.
Tama na yan. Tama na yan.
You know, Christian, you can take a picture.
Huh? Oh.